Hello, Paul. So in this week's lab, we were using the Mongo database, and we had two options to use it as an HTTP or use it with Docker. So I've used it with Docker, and we also had to make some changes to the code you gave us. For starters, I created the customer service class to bring in all the functionalities from customer controller, and I have it here. So this one would get us all the customers, and this one would get us a specific customer with their ID. This one would get her this one would add a customer, and this one would delete a customer. And then we have the customer controller here, and the get mapping, post mapping days would retrieve the customer details in Talent, and it will also retrieve in the database. And then we have customer following the same way. I also created order service for order controller, so I have everything here. So and yeah, add order, delete order. But here we have a different functionality here, which is customer ID. So it would get the orders of the customer by putting in the customer ID, which we have here in the order repository, find by customer ID. And then we have so the customer order service, I've created that as well. For that we had customer orders, order request, and customer order controller. So I've made some changes here and here. So for customer order service, I've called in customer service and order service to retrieve all the data for a customer and the orders, and then the constructor here. And then as you can see here, I've added a for loop here so that we can get the order details uh, entitled to a specific customer. And yeah, then what else do we have? Customer repository, yeah, customer order repository. Okay, and we have the database here, the Mongo database. I've set it up in our Docker desktop, and I'll run it now and just show you how it works. So, customer application, yeah, okay. Right there now, and you'll see. Tomcat started on port 8082, port 8080, and okay. We have the application properties for Mongo over here, set up over here, and see that, yeah. So the Mongo database is running in Docker desktop as well. So I'll just pull up Talent here now, and yeah, so I followed this sample JSON that you have put up here for customer and their orders. So yeah, so I'll just change it a bit here so you can see. Hardwick. Then change it to bought a car. Bought TV. Okay. Then I'll send the order there. I'll send the post request. You can see customer and orders created successfully. Now we can see it here as well if we send a get request for customers, and then we would be able to see the latest, the latest addition, Patrick Feeney. See it here, and the ID is 816. That is automatically generated. And if we do a order request, Yeah, you should be able to see the orders that Patrick made. So the last two ones should be his. 816 bought a car, 816 bought a TV. Yeah, so I suppose that's it there. It was a bit tricky, but then I understood the working flow of it. I think I should be ready for the exam as well. So yeah, that's it then. Thank you, Paul. Make another video next week, hopefully, for next week's lab. Yeah, that's it there. Thank you.